In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a variation listing with a drop-down on eBay. This feature is incredibly useful for sellers with products that come in multiple sizes, colors, or configurations, as it allows buyers to customize their purchase according to their preferences right from the listing page. To get started, head over to eBay's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in successfully, locate the option at the top of the page that says Sell and give it a click. This will direct you to the interface where you can manage your listings. On the left side, you'll see a tab labeled Listing. Click on Create Listing to start setting up your new product listing. Now enter the name or type of item you wish to sell in the search bar in front of you. This could be anything from clothing, electronics, to home goods, whatever you're planning to put on the market. With your item typed in, the next step is to press Search. This action helps eBay narrow down relevant product categories, making it easier for you to ensure your listing is categorized correctly for potential buyers to find. After narrowing down your item specifics, it's time to select the condition of the item you're selling. Replace the outdated with options like brand new, used, or refurbished, all present to suit different types of merchandise. Once selected, go ahead and click Continue. As you scroll down, you'll reach the pricing section. Here you need to choose Buy It Now under the Format options. This is a great approach when you have a set price in mind and prefer direct sales over auction-style listings. Next, scroll back up a bit to find the Variations section and hit Edit. Here, click on Plus Add to incorporate the variations your product might have. A small yet important detail follows. Check the box next to Size Type while unchecking other unnecessary options. Clicking Save locks in those changes. You should see a list of available sizes for your item. Select the ones applicable, ensuring the choices reflect the product accurately. Finish this part with the Continue button to move forward. Be meticulous in setting the quantity and price for each size. This specific detail is crucial as it not only informs buyers' decisions, but also tracks your inventory. Keeping it updated and accurate prevents potential misunderstandings or customer dissatisfaction. Once all these details have been carefully entered and double-checked, click on Save and Close. Your variation listing is now set up with a drop-down menu that will greatly enhance the shopping experience for your customers on eBay, simplifying their choices and boosting your chances of a sale. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your eBay selling journey.